everybody, and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I have the BOSE A30 Aviation Headset, and I'm going to tell you how to turn off and on the Reversionary. Here we have to find this control panel at first. We have to take off this shield, uncover this, and here, as I can see, I have zoomed in so that I can see it clearly. Here we do have the control for Reversionary, and we can turn it on using just a simple switch. I can't really do this with my nails because they are too short, but we can do this with a, for example, knife. I don't really recommend doing this with a knife because you can damage everything. But for the video purpose only, I will do so. So you have to just pull this switch to the off here. I do recommend doing this with, for example, SIM card tray opener, or with some, I don't know, something that is just long and very tight. Here we do have set it to on, and now we can set it back to off. Wait a moment, I don't want to scratch anything. It's so delicate. I'm afraid. Now we have set it to off, as you can see. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye. Have a nice day.